Good morning, everybody. I want to go over your new amazing words for this week with you. Your first amazing word is demanded. You ask with authority. Demanded. Your next word is clubhouse. A building for kids to meet and play. Clubhouse. Ferocious. Something that is fierce or violent. Respect. Admiring someone, being polite. Adventure, an unusual and exciting experience. Greatest, above normal or average. Advantage, in a better position than someone else. Exploring, to visit an unfamiliar place and learn information about it. These are your amazing words. Make sure you practice them on Monday. On Wednesday, you will have your close read, and these words go with that close read for Wednesday. Have a great week.